The good news about Jesus has come to Luke chapter 15 from verse 11 to verse 22. The story about our father love him boy picnic. Then Jesus said, one man did have two boy picnic. The littler one said to him father, say, Daddy, give me my part of what you have for me. So the father share up all of what him have between the two of them. Little after that, the littler one take all what him get go foreign and waste him money and live wild. After he spend off everything, starvation come upon the whole country and things did bad with him. Him go work for one man in another country there, and the man said him fi go feed him hog them. Him did so hungry, him did all one yam the hog food. But nobody no give him nothing. Then he catch himself and say, but the man them will work for my father have more food than where them can yam. And me there are dead for hungry. Me a go and my father go tell him say, Daddy, me do wrong against God. And me do you wrong too. Me no good for be your picnic again. But make me work for you. So him get up and go him father. Him did still dey far from him yard when him father see him and feel sorry for him. Him father run go hug him up and kiss him. The picnic said to him father say, Daddy, me do wrong against God. And me do you wrong too. Me no good for be your picnic again. But the father tell him servant say, Mickey carry the best clothes come put on pan him. Put one ring pan him finger and shoes pan him foot. Bring the calf when me a fatten. Come kill it. Make we yam dance and prance. Me picnic did dead. But him come back alive. Him the last, but me get him back. So them start for dance and prance. The bigger boy picnic did their ground. When he reach near the house, him hear music a play. So him call one of the servant them and ask him what go on. Him tell him say, no, your brother come home and your father kill the calf for him did a fatten cause him come home safe and sound. The bigger brother did so vex. Him wouldn't go in at the house. So him father go out, go beg him to come in. But him said to him father, say, all them area, me work like a slave for you. And me do everything where you tell me to do. But all them time they know even one dege young goat, you know, give me to celebrate with my friend them. But as the picnic day, where we say all where you give me buy woman, come home, you kill your best calf for him. The father say, picnic, you always there with me. And everything we may have, I feel own. But we did so glad. We did happy dance and prance. Cause your brother we did dead and come back alive, come back home. Him did last, but we get him back. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.